Yo folks, I had the questions in one of my YouTube videos how to get users input. So I just want to make a short video about it. It is very simple. I'm not going deep into details. I'm just going to show you an example. So it depends what kind of user input you want to get from the user. I will show two examples, one for a simple string and one for integers. If you want to get a string input from the user, it is simple. Let's say you want to make a variable name. You have to use the input function, and then just, if you want, you can write a question. What is your name? And then we can print it. Let's say hello. Okay, now when we run it, hello Alex. Okay, now the second example is with integers. Let's say we have x, x. Enter your first number. Let's do copy paste to save time. It will be y, and the second number. Now if you do x plus y, look what's going to happen. Let's say the first number will be 20, the second 10. Okay, the reason is because x and y are strings. So if you want to print the sum of these numbers, you have to cast int on x and int on y. 20. Okay, now it works. So this is so simple. I hope it will help you in your basic scripts, program, or whatever. So see you next time, guys.